Akvotve Yeshua, good afternoon. We discussed the previous time the first 4 feasts of the 7 feasts of God Most High as described in Leviticus 23. God says these are my feasts in my ordained times. They are meant as a gift to my children, not the Jews, only my children, those chosen by me. Now, the first 4 feasts were fulfilled by Yeshua. And in the very same way, prophetically, as described in Matthew 24 and in the book of Daniel, Yeshua is the one chosen to fulfill the last 3 feasts. The Yom Teruah, Feast of Trumpets, where he will come on the clouds. The Feast of Yom Kippur, the Day of Atonement, where he's already paid. He's already paid for the atonement. He's already paid all our debt when we put our trust in his person and power. And then lastly, the Feast of Tabernacles, or the Feast of Sukkot, God dwelling with man, where we will reign, those chosen, with Yeshua for 1,000 years. It will be 1,000 years of Shabbat. Can you believe it? Unbelievable. How glorious that will be, how enormous that will be, to be with Yeshua for 1,000 years and reign with him. Now, when you and I walk in this obedience, Akvotve Yeshua, and we celebrate the feasts as Yeshua did, read John chapter 7 and see that Yeshua went and he celebrated the Feast of Sukkot. Why? Because he walks in the obedience of the Father's instructions, because he is the blueprint of salvation. He is the plan of the blueprint of salvation through the 7 feasts. Now, when we celebrate the 7 feasts as Yeshua did, we come into the rhythm of God Most High. We walk in his prophetic calendar, as part of his prophetic calendar. His plan for us as human beings to be free forever, rid of all guilt, paid for, no more sin. He will see us through the filter of the blood of Yeshua, and we will be unblemished. Unblemished. That's how much he loves us. He gave us his only son. And that's the blueprint that we live by. In Zechariah 14 verse 9, Zechariah explains that on this day, Sukkot will be celebrated forever. And then, Echad, we will become one with the Father through this feast of Sukkot. Shaul says it's a shadow of things to come. Why not celebrate it now already? Because that's where we're moving towards. The Father's instructions are clear. These are my feasts in my ordained times for my children as a gift to honor me and be with me. Akvotve Yeshua. May grace and shalom be ours in full measure.